Chili chicken is one of the most popular dish from Indo-Chinese cuisine. This spicy, pungent, luscious chicken is a party to your mouth. Cut chicken breast into medium to thin strips at an angle. Put it in a bowl, add chili ginger garlic sauce, or you can alternatively add ginger garlic paste and any kind of chili sauce. I am using it as I make this sauce in bulk, as we just love Chinese food. Then add Knorr or any other brand chicken stock powder, freshly cracked coarse black pepper, beaten egg and corn flour. Mix everything well. Cover it and marinate it for 45 minutes to 1 hour into refrigerator. Then in a heavy bottom pan or a wok, heat up any neutral flavor oil. It should be hot but not smoking hot. Now add marinated chicken pieces one by one with the help of fork or hand and shallow fry it from both the sides for about a minute or so. Do not overcook chicken. It should be juicy and moist. Once done, take it out on a kitchen towel lined plate to drain the excess of oil. On a high heat, put up a pan and add about a tablespoon of oil. Once hot, add minced garlic, ginger, green chilies, and saute it for about 20 seconds. Then add Chinese wine or any other wine of your choice. Once the alcohol in the wine evaporates, add large diced and separated onions. If you would not prefer alcohol in your food due to any reason, or if you don't have wine, then simply omit it. Then add mixed bell pepper and saute it for about 10 seconds. Then in a bowl, add soy sauce, red chili oil sauce, chicken stock powder, vinegar, cornstarch, water, and any chili sauce. Mix it well and keep it aside. I'm using homemade chili sauce, so I'm adding it separately in the pan. Now give it a stir. Add sauce to the pan. Give it a stir and add cooked chicken. Add little bit of water if required. Turn off the flame. Add green onion. Toss it. Finish it with little bit of ketchup to round off the flavors. For plating, heat up the sizzler plate until it is smoking hot. Then spray any kind of oil. Place cabbage or iceberg lettuce at the bottom to avoid sticking. Plate it and garnish it with green chilies, green onion, and sprinkle toasted sesame seeds. Or just enjoy as it is. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.